backing out with the air on. Ooh. We've been running like 45 minutes at this point.
Yeah.
Half of that's with the AC. Alright. Watch, we're gonna drive it. I bet when we get going down Gene Autry or something, the temps are gonna drop. That's when we're gonna put Xander in charge of it. Alright, so just going down the block, it's went down close to 30 degrees just with some water circulation. At idle, they don't flow much water, especially with a big radiator like this. Try to get this lead to get wrecked. See, it spikes up and then it comes down. So that thermostat is doing its job. Because that radiator's so big, the thermostat's going. Well, I don't know how you drove this thing cross country. It's so so swirly. Like, I'm afraid to drive it down Gene Autry. I'll drive the race car wherever.
196.
It's still good. I think it's super twitchy. Yeah, we're just kind of stabilized out at 196, which I have to say, it's over 100, the AC's on. I have no complaints right now. And there's a load on the bed too. Oh my god, it's bouncing. There's a load on the bed too, because we got the pulse on there. Alright, we're gonna come to the light and see what it does. This is definitely better than my last test drive. Because I made it down to the end of basically where the air museum was, and it was already 240 something. So we could barely get out of our neighborhood with it, but I'm sure if you were to cruise down the freeway, this would start dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping. And on a nice day, when you can have the windows down, I'm sure it'll sit around 159, 165-ish. Yeah, so, alright. Let's take her back home, let her idle, and see what she does sitting after you come to a stop and park for a little bit idling. Alright, so after driving in the 100+ degree heat, we went down Gene Autry, we went through. Scotty, you gotta pay extra for that.
I even paid you to do it.
Wow. Yeah, so driving all the way down Gene Autry, went down behind Home Depot,
Right.
through the neighborhood at low speeds, back up Gene Autry with the air on, and it's bouncing between 195 and 199, and it's 105 out here, and it's really humid. And it actually
This humidity has been absolutely killer.
and it's actually got refrigerant in the friggin' HVAC system. So let's call that a success. I want to park this, let it cool down overnight, and then check everything this weekend, and then have Kyle come get it Monday. Right, so we get out, close everything up, and go, oh, what's that dripping? Please don't be coolant. Scotty put his finger in it. Then I put my finger on it, and then I tasted it. And I said, nope, that's not coolant. Kyle, your power steering pump is leaking out of the front seal, buddy. Just an FYI.